ready for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the floors again. If you guys remember, we put this floor down so that we could get the inspector to clear the purchase of the home. And now we are going to take that floor out and put a different floor in to match both floors in the bathrooms upstairs. And then also we got the downstairs floors that came in. So if you guys are new here, my name is Hope and my husband is Paul. We have one son and we just bought a fixer-upper. As you can see, the painter was here this day and the floors are completely down to subfloor. We primed the subfloor and you guys can go back and watch the last video on why we did that. I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning in this video and mostly preparing for the floors to come in. This isn't a very long video, but I just want to kind of give you guys a little update, and you're going to see some before and afters, like what the bathroom looked like here and what it looks like now. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of the progress. As I am actually doing this voiceover, we have moved in and I am surrounded by boxes. So hopefully next week you are going to see a little bit of the move-in process and what we are doing to unpack and how it is all coming about. I also wanted to say that a lot of the things that you're seeing right now, such as this floor, are not going to be permanent. This is temporary so that we can have something down when we move in. We are planning on remodeling the kitchen and all 3 bathrooms and the laundry room while we are living here. So we did buy this house. We are planning on staying here for quite a while, and so we will be doing everything piece by piece. So some of the stuff that you're seeing is just temporary. As I was laying the bathroom floor, the hard floors came in for downstairs, and we ended up picking the luxury vinyl plank click and lock flooring. I think that's what it's called. And we went with natural gray oak. And the reason why we ended up with these is because they are waterproof, scratch proof, dent proof, everything proof, basically. And with them being downstairs in the kitchen, the bathroom, and the main living area, I really just wanted something that I didn't have to stress about if somebody spilled something or, you know, life, kids. My father-in-law lives here. He's in his 80s. I just wanted to make sure that everything was going to be to a point where I didn't have to stress out about it. So this is before, if you guys remember the nasty tile and the yellow carpets, those are gone. As you see, we've primed these subfloors, and these are the planks. Now, they were super heavy, so Paul carried most of them in one by one, but as he was pulling them in, I was so excited to get in there and see what they looked like. So I had to just go in and open one, and you're going to see that in a minute. I'm going to show you what they look like.
So I put 2 planks together and I love it. It looks so good. Okay, here's the last look at the upstairs before the carpets come in. I just finished vacuuming for the 2nd time, and it's gonna be dark, so you won't really be able to see, but no carpet. There's those 2 rooms with no carpet. So you can see, let me get up close in the light here so you guys can kind of see what this is. It's just the subfloor painted with primer over the top of it. And that was because the people before us had pets and were smokers, and the carpet probably hadn't been changed in like 40 years. All right, so next time you see it, there'll be carpet. Yay! How do you feel? Are you tired? Yeah, we're tired. All right, let's haul it all down and call it a night.
So before we wrap up this video, let's take one last look. Do you remember the Flintstone fireplace? And then it looked like this. It was just a hole in my wall with some framing. And then it looked like this. And soon you're gonna see next week what it looks like now. But we patched it all up and we ended up spray painting the fireplace matte black, which is amazing. The TV is up there now. It's all painted. There's a preview of my paint colors. You actually got a little glimpse of the paint color when you saw the upstairs bathroom. Here's the final look at the downstairs before we laid the vinyl plank floor. I'm happy that I made the decision to document this process because it's been a really hard, exhausting month putting this house together. And if you've stayed and watched, I'm super grateful for you guys. I know I've gained about 10 subscribers from the last 2 videos, and that might not seem like a lot, but for me it is. I appreciate every single one of you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please think about joining my YouTube family and leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next week.